We gonna pause this right here. So homegirl out here, like she a part of National Geographic, out here capturing these birds in a public park. I came across this video. Apparently this is in Philadelphia, but then when I come to the picture, she's an Ohio restaurant owner. I don't know. I don't know if they all are together, because you know the media is fucked up and stories don't ever be right. But let's just say this. Stop eating Chinese food. Make your own damn food. You out in a public park catching regular ass street birds and talking about you gonna use them as chicken dumplings? Yeah, okay. Then look at the picture I saw. Like, what the fuck? First of all, you look like you eating the same birds that you catching out on the street. You hitting them high and you hitting them low. Like, I don't know. What the fuck is going on in the world where, like, there's not enough chickens in the world? Are we diminished on chickens? Like, is there no, we have no chickens available to actually cook? So now we out here just catching birds, you know. Maybe she's saving some money, I don't know. But what we not gonna do is we not gonna eat Chinese food no more.
Come on.
We need to be done with that shit. Even though a lot of food is fucking us up, so it really kind of doesn't matter. But if the shit start tasting funny to you, I think you need to make a decision. Like, I don't know what went through her mind, was like, you know what, we on hard times, and I think we need to start catching our food. Like, damn, we just going back to the Stone Age right now. He's sitting there, she's sitting there, gatherer and hunter and shit. He's like, I'm gonna set the trap, feed the birds, chirp, chirp, and you gonna grab them, and then we gonna take them shits to the restaurant and cook that shit up. Oh man, I really don't understand the world anymore, and it's because of this shit right here. Like, girl, we not seeing eye to eye. When it comes to, you know, what we should be eating. I don't think she's seeing eye to eye with that situation. And this is just fucked up. I can't, it's nothing more that I
can. Chicken, chicken, chicken head, chicken, chicken.